2017 Euro 5 Peugeot Boxer, manual gearbox, immobilisation. It's a horse box, this vehicle, so equestrian transport. Engine running at the moment, so when we turn the ignition off and we open the driver's door, two flashes there signals the immobiliser is now active. So we get back in, try to start the vehicle simply won't start. So what we need to do is enter our PIN code using a unique combination of button pushes on here until we get the acknowledgement code. So we can have up to 20 button pushes. We normally use 4 or 5. So if I put the code in, you'll get a flash there of the side light warning light. Turn the ignition off, back on again. There you go, engine runs. System arms automatically, as I say. Ignition off, auto rearm. Immobilising this horse box.